Myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the W.B.C count, that is the number of white cells in 1 liter, and count varies with the age and other populations parameters. That is the newborn has only 10 to 30 per 10 to 9 liter, and next is the significance of the W.B.C count. To investigate infection and unexplained fever, and to monitor the treatment which can cause leukopenia. Next is the principle of WBC. Whole blood is diluted in 1:20 in an acid reagent which homolyzes mature red cells, leaving the white cells to be counted. Then the number of WBC per liter per microliter of the blood is calculated and reported. Next is when examining a staining blood film, if many inoculated red cells are present, the WBC count should be corrected and reported as corrected white cell count. Next is the reagent and equipments. Equipment for the dilution is the Thoma white cell pipette, 20 microliter micropipette or the Sahali pipette, and 10 multiplier 75 mm test tube or WBC pipette. And microscope, improved Navier hemocytometer, syringe fitted with rubber tubing for aspiration of specimen and diluting fluid, that is homemade. Next, the diluting fluid, 2% acetic acids, distilled water, 1% HCl Turk diluting fluids, and WBC amount of diluting fluid, lint free cloth type of specimen, that is the EDTA for the whole blood or capillary blood. In today's class, I discuss about the reagents and there are the principles and also their significance of WBC. In next class, I will discuss about the method of WBC. Thank you.